Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here and today we're going to unbox the A4 Tech HS30i headphones. So let's begin the unboxing video. Here is the box of the HS30i Comfort Stereo headset. So these are the ones which have the 3.5mm jack and not the USB connector. So on the back you're going to have some of its major specification like anti-winding tape flat file, TP flat file, play, pause, pick up, hang up, 4-pin stereo plug for smartphone and tablet. So you can use it for smartphone, tablet and as well as for your laptops as well. I don't know if it's going to work for your PlayStation or consoles. Here on the bottom we got its specification. The speaker size is 40mm, frequency ranges from 20 Hz to 20 kHz. Impedance is 32 ohm, sensitivity is 102 dB and cable length is 1.5 meter. Here on the bottom we are going to have these two C's which we are going to cut open. After that we can just simply slide the back cover out and here we have our headphones. So nothing too much, you are going to simply get the headphones, no manual or no other thing like that. Here are the headphones. As you can see, the build quality is that they are completely made of plastic, which makes them lightweight, so you're not going to feel a lot of weight on your head if you're going to use them for a long period of time. The hooks are made of metal, which are great, so you got some, I would say, restricted movement on these headphones. Here is the flexibility on the above headpiece and you can extend them on both sides as well, but there is a thing that there are no, I would say, markers, so you don't know that on which level you are extending these. Here on the side you're going to have your left and right mark as well, and here you got this little microphone as well with this little thing which I'm going to think is going to annoy when you're going to wear them. Here is the 1.5 meter cable which is not braided, just a simple cable, and here we have a little button as well to play and pause your music, etc. And if you're wondering where is the audio controller or volume controller, then it is on the actual headphones themselves. So here you can control the volume up and down. Here is the 3.5mm jack as well. So overall build quality is average, not that much good, and these foams are not that much, I would say, soft as well. So let me give you an audio demo of these headphones as well. I have tested them and I would say that their audio quality is normal, not that much high or premium quality. You're not going to have that much bass as well. For the microphone test, here is a sample microphone audio clip as well. Here is the audio quality that you're going to get if you're using the microphone of the A4 Tech HS30i. These are not as that bad, but for streaming or another thing, I don't think that these are the best headphones. But if you're going to attend online meetings or other things like that, then they are okay. For the conclusion, these headphones are okay if you're on a budget, not the most premium quality headphones, especially not for streamers, because their headphone mic quality is okay, but it is going to bother them in the long run. The other thing is that this thing or this microphone placement annoys a lot, because if you're going to wear it on your head, then this is definitely going to touch your face and you're going to get annoyed with it. And as you can see, if I put it back, it's just going to come back to its original place, which is the main flaw, and that's why I really do not recommend these headphones, because you're going to get annoyed by these microphones sooner or later. Other than that, everything is almost okay for these A4 Tech HS30i. So yeah guys, this was the unboxing video of these headphones. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.